Ironhawk Technologies, in partnership with Movement Tracking System, Forward Battle Command, Tactical Ground Reporting, and DARPA, have developed SmartSync image compression to reduce sequential imagery data. Compression standards such as JPEG 2000 are able to reduce the size of image files significantly. However, there is a proportional loss of fidelity from the original image, rendering these images unusable. This also impacts storage, as standard compression techniques require a trade-off between retaining the original image detail and the amount of disk space required to store the imagery. The more detailed, the more space it needs. The imagery compression application you are about to see uses Ironhawk's delta compression technique to detect and compress only the minor changes or deltas in the imagery series. The resulting images show a dramatic reduction in the size of the image file while retaining the fidelity of the original image. This file takes less time to send, uses smaller bandwidth, and utilizes less storage space. We see the resulting image has been compressed by 85% and the file size reduced from 128 kilobytes down to 19 kilobytes. As we compare the JPEG compressed image to the original input image, the degradation in quality of the compressed image is apparent. The JPEG compressed image has lost most of the detail of the brick wall, the barbed wire, the shrubbery on the left-hand side, as well as the seam where the curb meets the road. The result yields a significant reduction in the size of the image file at a trade-off of virtually unusable quality. We will now demonstrate SmartSync reference file compression of the same input image. Compression is set to a similarly high level of compression as the JPEG compressor. The resulting compressed file yields slightly better compression results than the JPEG 2000 compression, 86.6%, and a file size reduction of 17 kilobytes down from the original 128. As you can see, the fidelity of the original image has been preserved. There are virtually imperceptible differences between the resulting compressed image file and the original image file. In summary, SmartSync imagery compression can significantly reduce the size of imagery data while preserving the fidelity of the original image files. This reduction of file size will result in faster send times, lower bandwidth consumption, as well as a reduction in the disk storage requirements for hosting systems. With this reduction in storage and bandwidth, the host system can then store a more frequent sampling of imagery files and send it forward to the warfighter to further enhance full mission cycle support.